Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to get free gifts on Temu. All right, so let's begin with the video. So to start with, you want to open up the Temu app and sign into your account. When you're signed in, you'll be able to find 4 options at the very bottom of the app. If we go to the third one along, that will take us to the You page. From here, you just want to look for the option that says Win Reward, which will ultimately take you to Earn Credits and Free Gifts page. Now, if you can't see this option, it's probably because you're in a country where it's not supported. For example, if you live in England, you will not be able to see this option, so you will need to change your country to the United States. However, when you find this option, click on it, and we have 3 different ways to earn credits and free gifts. Since we're trying to earn free gifts, you can pick whichever option gives you some free gifts. I'm just going to pick the third option, which is Win Freebies. From here, it tells us that we can start picking our free gifts. We can simply add our address and click Confirm. It now tells us that we can collect all the cards to claim our free gift. So you have to select your gifts one by one. From here, it tells us that we need more energy in order to claim our free gifts. To get energy, we must actually invite friends. So what we have to do is click Invite More, Get Energy. We can now share our invitation link via any social media of our choice, and we can even copy the code to our clipboard and text it to our friends if we'd rather do it that way. Now, in order to claim these free gifts, you will have to invite a lot of friends or family. If you know a lot of people who haven't yet used Temu, you'll be able to invite them. As long as they sign up using your link, you'll actually be able to earn energy, which will go toward getting your free gifts. You can just repeat this process for any of the Temu games, and once you've invited enough people, you'll be able to claim these gifts on your screen completely free. So that's basically how you can get free gifts on Temu. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.